Okay, let's try the next part of the trig graph questions. They tell you, this is a weird question because they're saying the general solution to f equals g is given. So they're giving you the answers for where f equals g. They're giving you the answers for where they cross each other, where f equals g. And they're telling you that one of them is 0. Okay, that k times 180 degrees, so 1 times 180, one of them is 0. But they're telling you another one. Let's say you forget about the repeating itself every 360 degrees. Just look at this. They're telling you that 70.5 degrees is the x value for where they cross. And the other one is 289. Those are the answers. Well, that's pretty nice. They want us to determine the coordinates of A and B. They've given it to us. You just have to realize that they've told us where f equals g, because that's what it is. It's a solution. So they've told us right there that it's 70.5, and right there it's 289.5 degrees. Then all we have to do is take those angles and put it into either function. I put it into the sine one. I went 2 times sine, because we know b is 2, 70.5, and I got 1.89 rounded off. And then I put in 289.5 into that function, 2 sine x, and I get negative 1.89. So there's the coordinates of A and B. Well, that wasn't very hard if you realized that they'd given you the answers. But here, 4.5, write down the equation of H. In this form, the equation of H, if we're going to subtract 30 degrees from F, subtract 30 degrees from F, but write it in this form, bx minus c. Well, the first step isn't so hard, because you just take f, which is 3 times the sine of 2x, but you write x minus 30 in there. Well, that's the first step. That's all there is to it. But we're supposed to write it in this form. Well, the only way to do that is to take this 2. You see, it's okay to take this 2 and just multiply it through, because the whole thing is an angle. So 2 times x minus 30 must equal 2x minus 60. Isn't that in the form they're asking for? I think it is. So that question's a little weird, but whenever they say f of x minus 30, it means that's a new function. You've got to take x and subtract 30. That's it. There's your new function. There's f, like of x, take away 30. That's your first step. And all they wanted you to do is multiply it out. A little bit tricky, but that's all there is to that.